Hey, so are you looking to get results in Legendary Marketer, but you're not getting a lot of support? You went through the 15-day challenge and you're struggling to actually know what to do because uh, you don't have the blueprints and you feel like you don't have enough information. Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, my name is Gio Gianta and I've been marketing online for a while now. And um, I was just like you. I started in marketing. I got in a bunch of different, programs, everything like that, and I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where to get started. I joined a bunch of different opportunities, and they kept trying to get me to buy things and buy things and buy more things to get support, and it was just a horrible feeling, to have to buy things in order to get more support, right? But I'll tell you this, that the 15-day challenge has enough for you to actually go and get started in business to get some results and actually be able to build your business online. Now, the $7 offer for the 15 days, that's not going to make you the kind of money that you want to make, right? The $7 offer is only for um, you know, enough information to actually go and market yourself and market your brand to be able to, get results. Um, but I will tell you that, if you're upset because you had to get um, different things and you weren't aware of what you had to buy, I'm going to tell you that you don't need ClickFunnels, you don't need those blueprints, and you could still make money online, right? I mean, ClickFunnels is always, raising their prices. They're um, they're 147 a month at the basic plan, and it just goes up to $300 per month from there. And with this, you only get one website and 20 funnels, and they don't really give you too much support here. And if you want to have more than that, even at the $300 level, you're only getting three websites, and you're not really getting your values worth, and it's very complex to use, and the prices are always going up. So the basic package just went up from 90 or $100 a month to 147 a month, right? It went up from 97 to 147, and it keeps going up. So basically, if you want to get results online, you got to buy all these products, you got to go into debt, you got to basically do all this stuff to be able to make money online. Well, I'm here to tell you that you don't, and I don't use I don't use ClickFunnels, and I don't recommend that you use it either. This is the funnel builder that I use, and you can get access to it below this video. It's going to take you to basically this builder that I use, and basically it's the same builder that I use to build my whole traffic website off of. And this is a product, and basically, in here, here's my traffic earnings from selling traffic. And you could build out your own, products and build out your own, websites and membership sites and everything like that. And here's some of the people that I help to, manage your funnels and everything like that. And this builder, it's a $25 a month builder, and it gives you a $20 a month commission. So you're able to earn $20 a month off of the $25. So basically, you can actually be in profit. You don't have to go into debt, using ClickFunnels and all these expensive products that have limitations on them. Like, this builder does just as much as ClickFunnels does, if not more, because I could manage anybody that signs up with me. I can manage their funnels without having any kind of login information. And if you go to like a builder, like Builderall, I know people are going to Builderall and everything like that as well. Um, you know these kind of companies, they only offer you 30% commissions. So you're making 30% commissions. Here you're making 80% commissions off of this builder, and this is the same builder. So pretty much, I'll put it into perspective. Off of a $25 a month funnel builder, I've been able to generate over $12,000 just in my store alone. And I don't use ClickFunnels at all. I think it's way overpriced, and I believe they just do very good marketing because Russell Brunson is an amazing marketer, and I give him a lot of credit for being an amazing marketer and everything like that. He's helped a lot of people, but it's all about the money for those companies, right? So I like things that are actually more focused towards the affiliate. And so here's what I basically use. And this is basically with this $25 a month builder, you actually get hands-on training. So you will learn, exactly how to connect, exactly how to build any business in 3 simple steps, and then you learn how to set up your funnel the right way and integrate with your domain names. And I would suggest using Aweber. I know Aweber is promoted heavily in Legendary Marketer, and I would definitely use Aweber because Aweber is the better of the autoresponders. And you're going to also learn how to create your own pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to create a custom code on pixels. You're going to learn how to do different things, and you can also create share funnels, and you're also going to know how to track your leads within the builder, so you'll know where every lead comes from. You're going to know how to sell your own products. Like I have my traffic store. You'll know how to do an upsell and downsell. You're going to know how to do your own your own membership site. So you're going to learn how to do a membership site right here, and you're going to learn how to do different things, and even build a traditional website. And the cool thing about this is it's $25 a month, and the price will never go up, right? So you could build unlimited pages, unlimited funnels. You could build unlimited, and you'll never be charged more money for building funnels, right? So that's the funnel builder. And I know a lot of people are talking about they're paying a lot for support because they can't get the blueprints or whatever, and they feel like they're left out because they're not spending the higher volumes of money, right? So in this portion right here, I also use this, right? And this is the traffic and conversions training. We have traffic and conversions training Monday through Friday, live by Zoom. So you're going to learn hands-on exactly how to build your business. Every single day you get to watch over the shoulder as we actually do marketing hands-on, right? And here's the things you'll learn. So you'll learn about different traffic strategies, how to launch your own business, how to invite people, how to follow up with people, how to get unlimited leads with Facebook, short form video lead generation, how to rank your videos in YouTube, which is why you see my videos ranking in YouTube, how to use YouTube strategies to get more traffic, how to actually get leads different ways with Facebook, how to do podcasting, how to recruit by LinkedIn, how to actually do Facebook Lives the right way, how to blog, and things like that. And then you'll learn how to actually do a launch, a 5-day challenge in the launch, right? So you're going to get all the support right here. And right here is basically the Monday night mastermind call. So we have a Monday night mastermind call where we bring people out who are getting results, and you get to hear from the people who are making sales. You get to know exactly what strategies they're using to get results and what's working now. Every Monday night you get a chance to be on that call, right? And then we have a daily morning call, which works on mindset, and you could call in by phone, and it all comes with this. And then we have a take action mastermind call where you get to watch over the shoulder Monday through Friday, live by Zoom at 11 Eastern. and you could hop on a Zoom call. You could ask your questions. You could get the support that you really need. And we also have an AI tool. It's called Emerson. So this is going to help you write your content, your emails, any kind of post you do. This is really going to help you. This will give you an extra $100 per month. So you're making $120 per month per sign up, and you could use this to build out the legendary marketer, and you won't have to actually get ClickFunnels and pay those crazy prices. And for the $150 a month, you make $120 commissions. And right here, for the $150 per month, you're not getting anywhere close to the value that you're getting for this right here, right? So that's the key. That's the key to actually, getting the support that you need, is actually being able to have support on a daily basis, and you're going to get that when you click on the link below this video. So when you get the funnel builder, and then you get the traffic and conversions with 2 sales, you're going to be in profit. You're $90 in profit, and with only 25 signups, you're at a $3 grand per month residual income, right? With only 25 signups. And the cool thing about this is you could use it to promote any opportunity that you have. And I'd highly suggest using this and allowing me to help you to manage your funnels and then help you with traffic. Since I am a top solo ad traffic provider, I can help you to do that. And basically, we have the Financial Literacy Academy right here, which is a one-time product. It's $500. It gives you a $400 or $800 commission. When you first sign up, you get it for half price. It's $1,000. You get it for $500, and you make a $400 commission. Or if you wait past the 3 days, it'll be $1,000, and then you'll make a $800 commission. So you make 80% commissions and not 30% commissions like you would if you were promoting something like ClickFunnels. So you're paying all this money for ClickFunnels, and they're always raising the prices. With this, the prices will never be raised, and you also always get stuff added, and you're never charged extra, right? So with this, you're going to learn all about how to eliminate debt and about financial literacy. And then from here, you're going to learn how to invest your money, so that way you could save it in taxes, and also how to plan for retirement, and then how to keep your records the right way when you have a business. And then when you invest, you want to invest in assets. So this teaches you different ways about property to invest in assets. So with all this, once you get the Financial Literacy Academy, you're also going to get traffic bonuses from me for going all in, and you're going to be able to use this to promote your legendary marketer opportunity. And you're going to have my support as well as other traffic bonuses when you go all in, right? So once you get this, it's a one-time buy, and you could make those $400 and $800 commissions, and then it's just $150 per month, and you make a $120 commission, so it becomes free after 2 sales, right? So that's something that will really help you in your business, and you won't have to use ClickFunnels at all, and you'll get the support that you need, right? So if you're ready to take action in your business and grow your opportunity online and be able to make money, then make sure you click on the link below this video to get started, and also get into my free Facebook group. There's a link in the description as well. That's where I give a lot of tips, tricks, and training. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. All right, talk to you soon, and bye for now.